Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Karina, mom of two. I'm from Russia but been living in the UK for the last 6 years. I post videos about motherhood, life abroad, life with children. I post videos of my children, what they do and what we do together. And today I want to take you for a walk with us in the woods. Hi guys, today we're having a very nice fresh morning in the local forest, and it's so lovely just to be outdoors. And I've got baby Louis in the carrier. If you live in the UK, then you probably still remember the storms that hit the country at the end of 2021, beginning of 22. The trio of storms, Corey, Bara and Arwen, which caused chaos in the UK, and Storm Eunice and Dudley. There were so many fallen trees, fences and damage to the people's property. Obviously, all the forest walks were closed for safety reasons. And today, half a year after, we decided to go to our local woods for a walk. Before, we would come here very often, once or twice a month, because it is close to the city. It is always nice to get out of the city and connect with nature. I love the fresh air and birds singing. It is so peaceful. I also think that it's really important for children to be outdoors as much as possible, and woods is perfect place to take them to spend energy, but also educate about nature, how things grow and live, and teach them to appreciate the wonders of the natural environment.
This one, Papa.
Who's Yana?
Huh? What do you think? You need someone.
If you ask me what would I pick, soft play or walk in the woods, I always pick second. I believe that being in the forest is good for your mental state of mind.
Like give you enough strength to keep going.
Yana, do you like walking in the forest?
Da.
What do you see here?
3.
Anything else?
3.
Good.
3.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye for now and see you again.